Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ahlan wa sahlan. Welcome to this video, guys. Right, so another example of Muta'lliqat. By the way, my name is Liaquat. If you don't know about my channel, Roots of Knowledge is a channel that I have made where I provide free content for everyone on all sorts of Islamic topics and Arabic. And check it out for yourselves. Let me know what you guys think. And let's get on with this then. So, next one. جمعنا الطلبة في القاعة. جمعنا الطلبة في القاعة. Okay, so جمعنا الطلبة في القاعة. So here we have فعل. So this is a فعل and a فاعل. And طلبة is the مفعول به. مفعول به. Now في القاعة, how do we deal with في القاعة? So is it saying جمعنا الطلبة في القاعة, meaning we assemble the students in the hall, as in the assembling جمعنا في القاعة. Yeah, so does it mean جمعنا في القاعة, or is it referring to the students? So جمعنا في القاعة could mean, let's say for example, this is the hall and students are scattered everywhere. So we got the students and we collected them all in the hall, told them all to go to the hall. Yeah, so now they're all in the hall now. So before they may not have been, some of them may have been. So we collected them في القاعة. And the other one, the other meaning that we can get from this muta'alliq is make في متعلق to الطلبة. So here الطلبة, if you make it muta'alliq to طلبة, now طلبة isn't really a mushtaq, although you can treat it as a jama of talib, but we're going to make it muta'alliq to الثابت, الثابتون, الثابتين, الثابتين, and then make that connected to طلبة. And in that case, now it's going to mean جمعنا الطلبة في القاعة. So the students that were in there, so let's say there's some students outside and there were some students who were inside. What we done was we collected the students that were in the, only these guys, we collected the students, we assembled the students who were in the qa'a. We assembled the students who were in the qa'a. So جمعنا الطلبة في القاعة. Okay, so this is two of the differences. There could be some more differences as well, but we're just focusing on how we make this muta'alliq. So we make it either muta'alliq to jama'na or we make it muta'alliq to at-talaba. And there you can see the difference in the two meanings. The first one is that we collected the students, assembled the students inside the qa'a. And the second one is the students who were in the qa'a, we assembled them. Right, and we're not talking about the students who are outside of the qa'a. Right, so this fi has this sort of a meaning that is achieved. Alright, so jazakallah khair. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe. And if you want to support this channel, then become a patron. You can donate to this channel through PayPal and help me make more videos for people like this. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Jazakumullah khair for watching this video. I hope to see all of you guys. If you guys are interested, please leave us feedback, get in contact with us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.